Hi everyone, this is Bluehawk here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap from USDC to NORD tokens on Ethereum using Matcha. The steps would be similar for any other pair of tokens that you would be looking to swap. Matcha is an exchange aggregator that searches across a large number of exchanges to find you the best exchange rate out there. Best of all, Matcha does not charge any commissions to perform the service. You'll only pay the gas fees that would be required for performing transactions on the Ethereum network. In addition, you also get lower gas fees working through Matcha rather than going directly to the source exchange, which is a nice bonus. Let's get started. Head over to matcha.xyz, enter the name of the token you want to swap to, in this case, NORD. You'll see NORD token pop up along with the network the swap will be conducted on, which is Ethereum. Now I will choose the token I want to swap from, in this case, USDC. I'm going to enter the amount of USDC I want to swap. Here it will show you how many NORD you can expect to receive. If you're satisfied with the exchange rate you are offered, click Review Order. Matcha will ask you to connect your wallet. I'm going to use MetaMask. If you need help setting up a MetaMask wallet, click on the video link in the top right-hand corner of this video. Matcha is going to ask for your permission to spend your USDC. Click Approve My USDC. There is a fee for this transaction that is paid in Ether, so make sure you have some in your wallet to cover this. Click Confirm and give it a few minutes for the transaction to clear. Now that the transaction to spend your USDC is cleared, you're given the opportunity to confirm the actual exchange transaction. Everything looks to be in order, so I will go ahead and click Place Order. Click Confirm. Again, just give it a few minutes for the transaction to clear. There you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides to using DeFi. If you need help sending crypto to your Ethereum wallet, or you want to send your tokens from Ethereum to Polygon, click on the videos shown on your screen.